Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a really cute BelleTress wig called Columbia, and the color on Columbia is called Honey with Chai Latte. Now, I have discussed this color in other videos and in probably better lighting for discussing the color, because to be perfectly frank, super direct sunlight is very glary, so it's not really great for showing colors because it kind of washes them out a little bit. But it's great for showing off the wigs. So instead of talking about the color, I'm just going to talk about the hair in this video, because you could see every detail of the hair really well when the light is this direct. And this has a really lazy, sloppy, amazing curl pattern to it. It really does look like you know, you just unraveled a braid that you slept in overnight or something. It's just, I love this wave pattern. I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna stop playing with it for a second, and I'm gonna just do a little 360 so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. It's got some really fun measurements too. The front is 7 inches, the sides down are 10, the back is 14, and the overall length from the top to the bottom is about 14. So this is a firmly mid-length sort of shoulder grazing sort of style. Now you can heat style this wig. This is a heat friendly synthetic, and you could tell that unlike a lot of blondes, which tend to be, you know, woefully shiny, this particular fiber is virtually shine free. This is, I mean, you could really tell when I shield my face from the sun how direct this sunshine is. I mean, look how dark that shadow is. I mean, it is really bright out here, and then look at how little shine you're getting from this fiber. It's pretty magnificent. This is a really nice fiber, and that's one of the key reasons why people like heat-friendly synthetics. They're a little harder to take care of, but there's virtually no shine. They look a lot more natural, especially in direct sunlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take Columbia off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So this is Columbia. She's got a lace front, a little stubby lace front, not super long or anything, but you know, we'll get the job done. Also monofilament left-hand side part, as well as a little bit of open action here, cat a corner to it. It does have permatease there also where that lace is to sort of obscure the wefting. There is a little bit of fuzzy felt here in between the open portion of the cap and the top of the cap that aids with traction. We've also got a little bit of under knotting here. That's what that's called when you see that you've got these little bits of hair sewn into the bottoms of the ear tab here, and felt on the ear tabs. We've also got an extended felt nape. It's just like a bra strap in the back. It's moderately stretchy in the back, open sides and back. And here is that texture. It's a little bit more relaxed than on, say, like the Kona or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on for you now. Before I do anything else, I want to show you this lace front. Now forgive me if this is a wobbly demonstration, just because I can't see what I'm doing. Can you see the lace front? Just gonna move and eventually it'll catch it, hopefully. So hopefully you saw that in there somewhere. I think it's a pretty well done lace front. It's not a huge lace front. It only goes temple to temple, as opposed to like ear tab to ear tab or something like that. But it is good, well threaded, densely knotted, does the job. And I do really love this honey with chai latte color. It's great for summer. Looks really great on these boho sort of wavy wigs. So this has been my review of the Columbia, which has one of the laziest wave patterns I've ever seen, and I mean that in the best possible way. And the color honey with chai latte, both from the BelleTress collection. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs. That's CysterWigs.com. Squinting at you in high definition color. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Check out my wig store if you get a chance, and YouTube and things, and have a great afternoon and stuff. Bye.